Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, welcome back. Let's roll. Power walk. Some adjustments, as you guys can see. It's not nighttime. It is 5 a.m., not 4 a.m. I had decided follow up with that video Saturday that I did my prolonged fasting. Ended up being 48 hours. Since I want to put size, I felt a little hunger, but it's kind of normal, but very slightly. But since I want to keep the prolonged fasting going, I did the 48 hours, so I skipped Sunday and ended up eating on the Monday around 10 a.m., something like that. But anyhow, I did like 52 hours, 48 hours. So that was good to give my reset on the cells and also burn a little bit more fat and getting my percentage of body fat to the point that I want. So when you are getting to, when you have two goals, you want to get big and you want to drop your percentage of body fat, it gets a little complicated, right? So that's where adjusting and adapting as you go, because as you moving and progress with your goals, you have a lot of that to do. That's why you gotta have that habit of always adjusting and adapting, and you gotta know yourself, how to not let yourself tell you other things. For example, I could tell myself today like, oh, but the way I do one thing, I do everything, and it's already past 4 a.m. and I'm still over here taking care of these other things. But my routine changed, right? I'm gonna have active rest days every day now. So Monday, I do my chest, right? Because I'm gonna give my muscles time to grow. So pretty much what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna work the muscle one time, and that's it. So Monday I do chest and triceps and abs, and then what happened is that, and then today, which is Tuesday, I would take a break, right? Take a break, and I do active rest. So this could be my 1 hour walking in the morning, right? So to get my day going, and then with that, I can just do some sprints, I can do some burpees, I can do some jump row, I can do all this cardio acceleration that I do, and yeah, and that will be my active rest day, right? Being active, right? And I'm still contributing to my routine in the morning, right? I'm still getting my body active to burn fat through the rest of the day, and I'm giving my muscle time to grow, and also giving my body rest, and I create more time for other things too. For example, this morning after I did my morning routine, have read the Bible, I'm reading again Think and Go Rich. I love Napoleon Hill stuff. It's a great book, should get that book. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. And after that, I was doing some research, kind of like organized, like content, like topics. So when I record a video, I have my title ready, and description and things like that, so I can just complete the editing of the video and post it, because I want to be able to just, like, when I'm done with this video, it's another habit that I'm adjusting and adapting, is that one, that I'm happy that I want to record videos on the regular basics and kind of share my lifestyle with other people, and with intent to help other people like overcome the same things I'm overcoming, and I'm be able to accomplish, and hopefully I can help people through this method. But yeah, I always wanted to do a YouTube channel, and then before I wasn't able to do because of fear, and other things, right? Like I was in my way, like stopping me from doing. I could do it, but I never did it, right? And I know there's a lot of people that want to do things like similar to it, and the fear and other things are stopping them is get on their way, and they get stuck in doing something that they really want to do. They can't do it, they can't, it's possible, but they just not able to do it. I was there, and I'm glad that I was able to overcome that. And now I have like almost 50 videos already, and I got videos that I still got to organize them to post because I had so much inside of me that I want to share that I just gotta like take my time a little bit, like organize the way I'm doing it, adapting to it. But I'm recording a lot of videos that sometimes I don't mention the top of the video in the beginning, then I gotta find out what the video is about, and I go like more general, like into the information, because as I go, whatever comes to my mind that is valuable, I share. I'm just like, some videos I'll be like specific to the point, but most of the other videos, as I'm doing the videos, I guess the great explanation and what needs to be shared, it comes while I'm doing the process, while I'm recording, right? So then I don't hold that back, I just let that go. And it'd be like general information, and then sometimes I start with one thing, then it goes to another thing, but it's all helpful, right? And it's all related. But anyhow, yeah. So adapting and adjusting, adapted, and adjustments are very powerful. In executing, you continue to execute, and as you execute, you got to go through these phases. You got to adapt it and you got to adjust it. So, yeah, I did decide that with my fitness goal, because there's no way that I want to put up on size and I continue to work the muscle twice. So I got to give the muscle rest to grow. I think it's going to be great. I think my body needed that too. Kind of like changing the routine of working the muscle twice a week. So it's always good to like switch it up. So that's what I'm doing. I was gonna do like Monday and Tuesday, and then an active rest, and do Wednesday, and then the rest of the week I will do active rest. But I'm just gonna, do it one at a time. Like I did Monday, which was yesterday. I did chest, and today I'm doing the active rest walking, right? And I'll probably do some burpees. I'll do probably 100 burpees. And tomorrow, which is Wednesday, I'll do shoulders. And then Thursday, I'll do another active rest, right? And Friday, I'll do back and biceps, right? When I do shoulders with legs. I still gotta figure it out what I do with legs. I probably would include legs on the Monday, and do legs again maybe towards the end of the week. But maybe I should just have a leg day. I'll probably just include another leg day just for leg, right? So let's say I'll probably do leg on Saturday. And tear their legs down, like blow up their muscles, because it's big muscles, and probably just work the entire muscles, like the back and the front of the leg muscles, and do that on the Saturday, because I would finish all my muscle parts on the Friday, right? So I'll probably do back on I'll do back on the Friday. Back would fall downs on the Friday, so I'll be doing the legs on the Saturday, and then active rest. And also I would combine cardio with that, because I always gotta have cardio, because to continue to going towards my percentage of body fat that I want, single digit, and right now I just got to get below 20%. So I got to get the results. I'm probably closer to the 20% now. So I'm right now focused on losing those 3% that I have, so I can get to the 20%. So that's what's going on with the fitness, building a body on the carnivore diet, right? Still doing carnivore diet, and I'm going to talk about that in the next video, so we can go more in deep to the nutrition and how I'm doing the carnivore diet. See you in the next one.
Give it to me like